China is turning solar panels into a battlefield against desert sands, using them as both energy generators and ecological shields. In the arid northern region of Ningxia, workers prune goji berry bushes beneath rows of solar panels, creating a symbiotic system where technology and agriculture work hand in hand to combat desertification. This isn't just a futuristic vision. It's a practical strategy that's reshaping how nations tackle environmental challenges. Imagine thousands of solar panels stretching across the horizon, their surfaces acting like giant umbrellas. These aren't just harvesting sunlight. They're casting shadows that protect fragile plants and soil from the relentless sun. At Ningxia Baofeng's 1 gigawatt agri-solar project, this dual-purpose approach is already yielding results. The company, a major player in the coal chemical industry, plans to expand this model, aiming to build 30 gigawatts of solar power, some of which will be dedicated to reversing desert encroachment. But here's where it gets controversial. While solar panels are praised for their environmental benefits, critics argue that their placement on prime farmland could undermine food security. In 2023, China banned solar installations on arable land, sparking debates about balancing renewable energy goals with agricultural needs. Yet, the government insists that strategic planning, like using solar panels over degraded areas, can preserve farmland while fighting desertification. This initiative is part of a broader, decades-long effort. China's 3 Norths anti-desertification program, launched in 1978, has evolved to incorporate solar technology. A recent update to the national plan highlights the growing role of solar panels when slowing sand movement. The process is slow, often taking 5 years to show measurable results, but the payoff is worth it. Projects like Baofeng's are just a fraction of China's annual solar capacity. Yet, they represent a bold shift toward integrating clean energy with ecological restoration. The scale of the challenge is staggering. Nearly a quarter of China is classified as desertified. Yet, despite massive tree planting campaigns, the problem persists. At Baijitan Nature Reserve, decades of work have reclaimed 800 square kilometers of land, a small victory in a much larger fight. As site director Wang Xiaoling explains, it's a protracted war to control the desert. We can't say we can wipe it out completely. And this is the part most people miss. The success of these efforts depends on a delicate balance. Solar panels may be the latest tool in the fight, but they're not a silver bullet. The real battle lies in sustaining the momentum, adapting to new challenges, and ensuring that every solar panel placed serves both energy and ecological goals. What do you think? Is this the future of desert control, or just another chapter in the ongoing story of human ingenuity?